Okay, you may read.
Matter of urgent public importance. The matter for discussion shall, if possible, be referred to the President of the Senate before commencement of the day's sitting. The President of the Senate shall refuse to allow the claim unless he is satisfied that the matter is definite and urgent. 52. Notice shall not be dispensed with in the case of a motion or in respect of any other proceeding for which notice is required except with the consent of the President of the Senate and the general consent of the Senator President. Mr. President, I rise under this order to present motion of urgent national importance on the midnight bomb explosions in Eleyowo village along Akure Road in Ondo Central District of Ondo State on 28 March 2020 at about 1:15 a.m. caused by negligence of Nigerian Police Force, Ordnance Department, of its failure to ensure standard for compliance. Mr. President, I want to seek your permission to present this.
Because you have come under orders 42 and 52, I have to put the question for at least 1/3 of the Senate to approve of it before you continue. So those in favor of his request that he comes under orders 42 and 52 to present his motion, say aye. Those against, say nay. Ayes have it. Please go ahead and present your motion.
Distinguished colleagues, my name remains Ayoaki Elore, representing Ondo Central. Mr. President, here to present this motion of urgent national importance. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I rise to move this important motion of urgent public national importance on the midnight bomb explosion that rocked Eleyowo community in Iluabo, in Akure North local government area of Ondo Central District of Ondo State. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, this incident was reported to have occurred in the early hours of 28 March 2020 at about 1:1 a.m. while people of Eleyowo community were fast asleep. However, Mr. President, though the mercy of God, no life was lost, and many people sustained various degrees of injuries, and many are still currently receiving treatment in various hospitals in the state. While many properties were damaged by the incident of the explosion, ranging to several millions of naira loss to the victims, including Possibility Church of All Nations and Aina Auta Secondary School in Eleyowo community along Akure-Owo Express Road in Ondo State. Mr. President, the Senate notes that the cause of the explosion was due to the neglect of Nigerian Police Force, who, without proper checks and certification, choose to escort a faulty and unserviceable truck loaded with bomb explosive from Lagos and heading to a quarry company in Edo State. The vehicle developed technical faults along the way, and smoke came out of the engine, which eventually led to the explosion, causing serious damages to several properties of individuals, corporate bodies, and church organizations, ranging to several millions of naira loss to the people of Ondo Central and Nigeria in general. Mr. President, the Senate is deeply concerned that though no life was lost, the explosion, however, left no less than 50 people with various degrees of injuries, with the injured being receiving treatment at Federal Medical Center and other private hospitals and clinics in Akure, Ondo State. That the Senate is further aware that the Ondo Police Command, through the State Commissioner of Police, Mr. Udi Audi, had since confirmed the incident that led to the explosion, which was due to a breakdown of a police piloted truck conveying the explosive bomb, dynamite, to an authorized quarry location in Edo State under the instruction of the police authority, and that the movement was well authorized, piloted, and guided by experienced police experts from Police Explosive Ordnance Department, trained in the field of explosive and weapon management. Mr. President, the Senate further note that under normal conditions, such movement of bombs, explosives, should be conveyed by a police standardized vehicle with all gadgets of detonation in case of occurrence of fire on the way. But in this case, non-existence of such standardized police vehicles had led to the compromise of standard by police authorities using his men to escort explosives conveyed in old public vehicles without fire extinguishers, detonation equipment, etc., which then led to this disaster of high magnitude. Mr. President, though the Senate is also aware that no life was lost in the incident, but several property worth millions of naira belonging to Possibilities Church of All Nations and a secondary school opposite the church, and several properties of individuals, 4 farmers, civil servants, were completely destroyed by the explosion due to negligence of Nigerian police force for compromising standard of vehicles and render them homeless as we speak, and therefore need federal government accelerated action to intervene on how to provide relief materials and financial support for renovation and reconstruction of their property without any delay, because in master-servant relationship, employers are vicariously liable for the tort committed by their servant during the course of their employment. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, this is a clear thought of negligence jointly committed by Nigerian police force and its officials against the affected innocent Nigerians.
Senator Ayo Akinelore, is this a motion or a report? Because it's okay.
Thank you, Mr. President. That says no further that many Nigerian citizens, as a result of this explosion, will be deprived of their livelihood, displaced from home. Many injured are currently receiving treatment in various private and public hospitals, with huge payment of hospital bills to be made during their discharge from the hospital. And many secondary school students, from damaged school classroom and laboratories, will have no place to continue their studies as a result of damages caused by this explosion. Thousands of Christian worshippers at Possibility Church of All Nations ground, whose property have also been destroyed, will be denied their place of worship for the time being, unless government comes to their aid to accelerate the construction of damaged church and school buildings. Senate accordingly resolved: 1. Mandate the Senate Committee on Police Affairs to carry out investigation on level of contributory negligence of not ensuring standard on the part of police authority and prescribed standards required by police for conveying bomb explosives around the country, henceforth, to prevent future occurrence of this kind of bomb explosive. 2. Direct NEMA to provide relief material to the affected victims whose houses and churches have been destroyed as a result of the explosions. 3. Urge the police authority to particularly provide financial support to Possibility Church of All Nations to commence renovation and rebuilding of its over 18 church buildings submerged and damaged at a time directly opposite the site of the bomb explosive, together with damaged academic block buildings of a private secondary school caused by the negligence of its officers during the course of their duties. 4. Urge the government of Ondo State to graciously come to the aid of all victims whose roofs have been destroyed by the explosion to renovate them with accelerated action now that rainy season has set in. 5. Urge all well-meaning private and public organizations and well-meaning individuals in Nigeria to support the reconstruction of the school and church organizations affected by this explosion. 6. Urge the Senate to set up a high-powered delegation to visit the founder of Possibility Church of All Nations and Aina Uta Secondary School to pay them a courtesy visit on the spot assessment of property destroyed as a result of these explosions. Direct owners of explosives to immediately set all machinery in motion for assessment and payment of adequate compensation package to the victims of the disaster caused by the explosion. And finally, Mr. President, direct FEMA to provide immediate intervention for reconstruction of damaged part of Akure Road caused by the explosion to ease and restore movement and transmission of goods along the road. I so move, Mr. President. Thank you.